Good morning to all of you. The chapter we are doing chemical changes and reaction. Today we are going to discuss catalyst. In previous videos of this chapter, we discussing about conditions are necessary for chemical changes. In that video, we already discussed many of the conditions which are necessary for chemical changes. In this video, we are discussing one of the most important condition which is necessary for a chemical changes. That condition is catalyst. Some chemical reaction need a catalyst. Some chemical reactions need a catalyst to accelerate or decelerate the rate at which they occurs. Some chemical reaction need a catalyst to accelerate, mean to enhance the speed of particular reaction or decrease or retard the speed of particular chemical reaction. Some chemical reaction need a catalyst to accelerate or decelerate the rate. What is mean by rate here? Rate here is related with speed at which they occurs. With the presence of catalyst, either chemical reaction you may increase or it decrease. But one of the most important point to be noticed here that catalysts themselves do not take part in the reaction. For example, we discuss first we can try to understand the importance of catalyst in with the help of example. You can see it first example. Potassium chlorate. This one example we are going to discuss. Potassium chlorate decompose. Decompose mean breakdown. Potassium chlorate decompose only at 700 degrees Celsius. Only at 700 degrees Celsius without catalyst. Potassium chlorate decompose only at 700 degrees Celsius without catalyst, and even after providing that much high temperature, rate of release of oxygen is very slow. But when potassium chlorate is heated in the presence of manganese dioxide, decomposition begins at much lower temperature. How much? Only 300 degrees Celsius temperature is required for decomposition in the presence of manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide remains unaffected. Thus, in this reaction, manganese dioxide acts as a catalyst. Then what is the advantage of manganese dioxide here? Without manganese dioxide, for its decomposition, you required a very high temperature, 700 degrees Celsius. And even providing that much high temperature, the rate of release of oxygen is very slow. But after providing this manganese dioxide as a catalyst, you required much lower temperature. How much? Only 300 degrees Celsius to accelerate this chemical reaction. So manganese dioxide act as a catalyst here. Second example you can see, ammonia react with oxygen. Ammonia react with oxygen to produce nitric oxide and water vapor in the presence of platinum. Platinum act as a catalyst here. Catalyst, what a catalyst does for a chemical reaction, either it accelerate or decelerate the speed at which chemical reaction occurs. Now we are going to discuss catalysts are categorized into two categories. First is positive catalyst, second is negative catalyst. What is difference between the two? Positive catalyst. When a catalyst accelerate a reaction, mean when a catalyst enhance the speed of a chemical reaction, it is known as a positive catalyst. It is known as a positive catalyst when it is accelerate a chemical reaction. For example, you can see this example. Rate of decomposition of hydrogen peroxide gets increased in the presence of manganese dioxide. In the presence of manganese dioxide, if rate enhance, then this reaction is, or this manganese dioxide is known as positive catalyst here. Then what is negative catalyst? Just opposite from positive catalyst. Positive catalyst accelerate the chemical rate of chemical reaction. Then you tell me, what is negative catalyst do? If it is accelerated, then what is negative catalyst do? Negative catalyst retards or slow down the rate of chemical reaction. A catalyst employed to retard a reaction is known as negative catalyst. Now we can see example for negative catalyst. This example you can see. Phosphoric acid retard the rate of decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Means slow down the decomposition reaction of hydrogen peroxide. So phosphoric acid act here as a negative catalyst. Rate of oxidation of chloroform decrease. Rate means, what is mean by rate here? Speed. The rate of oxidation of chloroform decrease in the presence of alcohol. So alcohol is a negative catalyst here. So this is a negative catalyst. Now one of the important topic we are going to discuss is promoter. What is promoter? Same way, catalyst affect the rate of chemical reaction. Promoter affect the efficiency of catalyst. Substance that influence the rate of chemical reaction. How they influence the rate of chemical reaction? By improving the efficiency of the catalyst. By improving the efficiency of catalyst are called promoters. For example, you can see this chemical given reaction. This one is a reaction given here. In the manufacture of ammonia, iron act as a catalyst and molybdenum act as a promoter. Molybdenum increase the efficiency of catalyst iron. So molybdenum here act as a promoter. Iron is a catalyst. Iron affect the rate of chemical reaction and molybdenum increase the efficiency of catalyst. So indirectly promoter also affect the rate of chemical reaction by affecting the efficiency of catalyst. And one important chemical reaction given here. Certain chemical reactions proceed by adsorption of sound energy. This reaction as an example given here. In this you can see acetylene. This one is acetylene. Break up into carbon and hydrogen. Into carbon and hydrogen by absorbing sound energy. By absorbing sound energy. This is also an important chemical reaction, that acetylene break down into carbon and hydrogen in the presence of sound energy. Now I will tell you one of the most important word actually here, that is important that you read again and again in this chapter, in further chapter. That word is effluence. What is effluence? Formation of gas bubble in a liquid during a reaction is called effluence. Yes, it is same like in Coke bottle effluence takes place. When effluence occurs, you can see this chemical reaction. In the reaction, this given reaction, in the reaction, if one of the reactant is liquid. In such a case, when one of the reactant is a liquid, gas form bubble in the liquid and effluence takes place. So in this case, this gas is produced is cause of effluence. Formation of gas bubble in a liquid during a reaction is called effluence. This is important. You have to keep remember this. This word is used again and again further in this chapter. Now I will give a revision fast and quick. You can see what is a catalyst. any substance which affect the rate of chemical reaction. Either it accelerate or it retard the rate of chemical reaction. Means speed of chemical reaction is affected in the presence of catalyst. Catalysts are of two type, negative catalyst and positive catalyst. Negative catalyst which retard the rate of chemical reaction, positive catalyst which enhance the rate of chemical reaction. And this factor is one of the important factor which affect the rate of chemical reaction. Next is promoter. Substance that influence the speed of catalyst or influence the improving the efficiency of catalyst is called promoter. And promoters also affect the rate of chemical reaction but indirectly by improving the efficiency of catalyst. And one of the important chemical reaction that take place in the presence of sound is the decomposition of acetylene. This reaction you have to keep remember. And effluence, formation of gas bubbles in a liquid during a reaction is called effluence. And next we will discuss in our further videos. Thank you.